Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the second challenge prompt for this month, that word being tentacles. Now I kind of want to eat squid. I don't really like squid though. Now, coming into this piece, I was originally actually going to draw a ship being taken over by tentacles of a kraken, but I decided it would be more fun to actually make a person swimming away from them instead. I feel like I've seen a lot of pictures of the kraken attacking a ship, but I haven't really seen any pictures of a person being attacked by a kraken in the water. So I thought it would be really fun to do this, and I feel like I might be the first on YouTube to do it. But I am going to be quiet, grab my harpoon, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word tentacles. Now I think this turned out pretty funny and pretty cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. Now make sure you complete these challenge prompts and post them so you can have a chance to see your name on a video like this one. Thank you to everyone who participated. You can see their names on the screen right now. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's going to be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!